The 6 most important things to consider when picking a cryptocurrency exchange are authenticity and security. Method of purchase. Supported tokens. Trading platform. Broker. Fees and user interface. Here are 5 popular cryptocurrency exchanges and some reasons why they are considered some of the best. Coinbase is a well-known and established cryptocurrency exchange, particularly in the United States. It offers a user-friendly interface, high liquidity, and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Coinbase is also known for its strong security measures and insurance against losses due to hacking. Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that's been around since 2011. It's known for its high liquidity, low fees, and advanced trading tools. Kraken also has a strong security track record, with a focus on protecting user funds. The user interface is a little more complicated than Coinbase. Gemini is the rare crypto exchange that's equally suitable for beginners and advanced crypto investors. It offers a broad lineup of cryptocurrencies, a spectacular library of educational content, and plenty of other valuable features. Gemini Earn is one of the biggest advantages the Gemini exchange has over most of its competitors. This lending program allows you to earn interest on your idle cryptocurrency balances. Binance is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade. It's known for its low trading fees, advanced charting tools, and high liquidity. Binance also has a strong security track record and offers a mobile app for trading on the go. Binance is not available in the US at this time. Bitfinex is a well-established cryptocurrency exchange known for its high liquidity and advanced trading tools. It's also one of the few exchanges that allows margin trading, which can be attractive to more experienced traders. Bitfinex is also known for its strong security measures, with a focus on protecting user funds. Bitfinex is currently not available to US residents due to regulatory restrictions. US residents are prohibited from trading on this exchange. Factor number 2. Method of purchase. The method of purchasing cryptocurrency varies between platforms. Some exchanges require deposits by bank transfer, some use PayPal, some accept credit and debit cards, and some solely use cryptocurrency for purchases. If you do not have any cryptocurrency before joining an exchange, it is essential that you choose a platform that accepts fiat currency, dollars, euros, et al., so that you may enter the market. It is also important to note how long purchases take to complete. Some platforms process transactions nearly instantly while others can take days or weeks. Factor number 3. Supported tokens. Most exchanges support Bitcoin and Ethereum, but investors in cryptocurrency know that is just the tip of the iceberg. There is a significant variation in supported cryptocurrencies across different exchanges. Some platforms trade a long list of altcoins, whereas only allow transactions in the most major cryptocurrencies. You can further balance your position with stable coins, often used by traders to hedge against the volatility common in the cryptocurrency markets. For example, TrueUSD is a USD-backed cryptocurrency that is directly collateralized across a network of banks. It uses custodial accounts to give token holders legal protection and direct banking, so that the company never directly touches the funds. Additionally, The custodian accounts enable regular auditing and deliver complete legal protection. By being backed by the US dollar, TrueUSD offers a common, stable currency across digital exchanges. Since Tether, the incumbent USD stablecoin, was subpoenaed by the SEC, a new alternative is badly needed. Regardless of your risk appetite, make sure you choose an exchange or exchanges that support all of the cryptocurrency tokens that you want to purchase. Metrics, including 24-hour volume and market cap, influence these exchange rates and should be monitored. Factor number 4. Trading platform, P2P exchange, or broker. There are 3 main types of cryptocurrency exchanges, so you need to know what they are before choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. Modern trading platforms most commonly include Coinbase marketplaces where users can place buy or sell orders for cryptocurrency. Each user only interacts with the platform. Additionally, there is a fee for each transaction. Peer-to-peer or person-to-person, P2P, exchanges, such as Cointel, connect buyers and sellers to interact directly, relying on both parties to agree to any given transaction. P2P exchanges help mitigate network congestion and maintain a secure, trustless system for the exchange of cryptocurrencies. Cointel is the first multi-currency P2P exchange. Cointel's CEO explains, dealing on a P2P basis helps alleviate any issues and problems that can arise from traditional exchanges. Factor number 5. Fee structure. Transaction fees and fee structures differ across various exchanges, which is critical when choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. Some exchanges offer discounted fees. This occurs when an exchange's own token is used to complete transactions. Also, it can relate to how many tokens are held. Others only charge a transaction fee on sales, permitting purchases free of fee. Factor number 6. User interface and user experience. For the average cryptocurrency investor, one of the most important aspects is the user interface and functionalities. Whether you are a seasoned cryptocurrency trader or buying Bitcoin for the first time, an intuitive interface and good user experience aids user actions on the exchange to be more informed and more efficient. User experience is subjective and different people will enjoy different interfaces. However, the exchanges with the best user experiences will see the largest growth in transaction volume in the coming years. As an exchange's value is largely tied to its user numbers, exchanges are able to boost their user numbers and transactions via their user experience. Coinbase has demonstrated this level of growth, and are now considered the top crypto exchange in the US. Finally, be certain that the crypto exchange provides easy transfer to hardware wallets. Remember that these exchanges are competitive businesses, so their offering are constantly updated. You can shift at any time. No matter the exchange you finally choose, remember the mantra: you only really own the crypto in your hardware wallet. Do not allow large amounts to remain in the control of crypto exchanges. Google FTX to understand the risk. For all the reasons stated above, CapTanCrypto recommends Coinbase or Gemini exchanges and ledger wallets.